place to receive a 2,000 peso cash plus a plaque of title and a certificate of title. Our fourth place is none other than competing group number A, the Brave Dancers. Sige po. Then we will proceed with our third place to receive a 3,000 peso cash. SK Sayaw Kabataan, third place, got the score of 97.37. Is none other than group number 9, Divergent Family. Where are they? Divergent Family. Asa na po sila to receive a cash of 3,000 peso cash, a plaque and a certificate of title with our SK Sayaw Kabataan Dance Competition 2025. Asan po sila? Wala. Asaan? Wala sila. No representative at all. But anyway, we will proceed with our second place. Second place, pasahan muna natin wala yung third place. Ang ating second place will be receiving a 4,000 peso cash plus a plaque of title and a certificate of title. Got a score of 98%. Our SK Sayaw Kabataan 2025 second place is the Ops Extremidad de Cinco. Asan po sila? Second place. Sa Terona na rin? Lagari? Sa ba yun? Bakit lahat sila nakaitim na kaputi? Okay nga. Sige. And we will proceed with our Sayaw Kabataan 2025 Grand Champion. Got the score of 98.17% is none other than Group